How to create your custom location on Instagram. Instagram does not allow user to create custom locations directly, but you can do so through Facebook, as Instagram redrives location from there. So open your Facebook application on your device and make sure that you are logged in and your Facebook account is connected to an Instagram account where you want to change your location. Once you are in the home page, and tap on what's on your mind in the top of the screen. Now create a post, add a video, photo or write anything. After that click on add location or check in. Now enter the name of your custom location that you want to set. For example, where am I or my secret spot, whatever you want to create. When you try to check in or add location, you will see the option to enter the name of your custom location and then choose a category that fits such as business or landmark, and then set the location at the map. Adjust up into your desired spot, and once you create the location, it will be available on your Instagram. After that, when you add a location on Instagram, next time search for your custom location and it should appear. So this method works best for business, event or personal custom spots. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.